Quick setting. It is the set of lightweight controls quickly and simply, such as picture mode, sound out, game optimizer, and so on. To start, press setting button in the remote control. First, you can set picture mode. Second, you can set sound mode. Third, you can choose sound out. Fourth, directs to the game optimizer settings. Fifth, launch multi-view. Sixth, directs to the OLED care settings. Seventh, directs to the network settings. Eighth, you can set more options. Ninth, you can add delete the quick setting items or change their order.